Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my mahueeol power bank.
Let me jump right into my favorite feature about this power bank, which is the AC outlet. So most power banks usually don't have this feature, and so I am unable to charge my iMac. But with this power bank, I can plug my iMac right in. It even has a fan that keeps the battery cool. Here's what it sounds like. So I'm amazed that it can power up my iMac. I did have to use an extension cable because the prong of the iMac is a little big for this charger, but it works perfectly. I can also charge up my tablet and my phone at the same time using either the 12-watt or 18-watt USB port and the 65-watt USB-C port. And in true emergency charger fashion, it has a super bright light that functions as a flashlight. Since it has that great AC outlet as well, you can also use this to power up your Wi-Fi router in the case of an emergency. So Wi-Fi is one of the most important things that runs our life. So I love that I can keep it turned on and charge my phone at the same time. It's easy to charge up again. I love that it shows you the percent that it's at, and it also comes with a very handy carrying case. So whether you need an extra charger around the house, you want it for out and about, or you need it for emergency situations, this charger that includes that valuable AC outlet is the one to get.
But that is just my point of view.